Today I want to talk about the queen marking tube. This tube I've used for a number of years, and I want to demonstrate how I use it within my bee yard. If you had this frame full of bees, and of course the queen's on there, and you want to mark her, all you have to do is just take your plunger with a sponge and move her right into the tube. Now this tube has an open grid where you can stick your marker through to mark the back of her abdomen. Another way of using this tube is you have a swarm and you've got to isolate that queen and quick before the bees take off. And what I've done is right up here on the top bar or even on the ground, I'll just move that queen in here and put the plunger in and keep her right there. Now, what you can do next is go into a hive that you want to start that queen with her swarm and move that into there. You got to isolate the queen. That's the important thing. And I've used this tube for both marking queens and for isolating a queen. And that is your queen marking tube.